Traders, Zelman here, September 27, 2018, after the market closed. Going to provide an update on BitFrontier Capital Holdings, ticker symbol BFCH. We have a triangle pattern here, if you guys hadn't noticed. It's been trading in this trading range, similar to a marijuana stock that I've been watching as well, HealthMed, HEME. You see triangle pattern over here. Once it breaks through this downtrend, you can see her go higher, but this report's about BFCH. Just wanted to show you a similar pattern over there. Now, BFCH reported news earlier today, stated that they had filed their complaints with the court to cancel over 12 billion shares of common stock. That's great news for us. We're still waiting for this to happen, but you see buyers coming in today. Was buying her earlier this morning. At one point she traded up to, I believe, 0.0069 or so. Let me just double check and correct that for you guys. Yeah, 0.0069, and a seller came in, had a block of like, I think, 1 million shares at 0.055 at one point, and got smacked. 5 ones got smacked as well for that total 1 million shares, and then started trading up. I believe then 6 ones, 5 eights got smacked, 6 ones got smacked, and closed at 6 fives. Buyers are holding her up. They know that 12 billion share cancellation hopefully is around the corner. The report was sent out to the courts, I believe, early September, I believe September 4th or something of that nature. Please do your own due diligence. I am not sure of the exact date, but I believe it was early September. So cancellation can happen hopefully sometime in the near future. I can't give a specific date, but sometime in the near future, so keep your eyes out on BFCH. It's in this triangle range, this trading range. She breaks through this uptrend, this downtrend line right here. She should soar. Got my eyes on her. You should too. Remember, follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. Take a live course with myself. Visit thetradingteacher.com and go to the live trading course section.